Hello, my name is Prateek and I'm from Team Kunobi. I wanted to show you how quickly you can see a consolidated view of all your FluxCD resources in the cluster using Kunobi. Let's get started. I'm on Kunobi desktop application and will be connecting to one of my local clusters for this example. I deployed this cluster using the quick start screen on Kunobi with FluxCD already on it. I can now see the Kubernetes resources in the cluster and the filter for GitOps. Then select Flux tree. This is the consolidated view of all FluxCD resources. One click here can convert this into a graphical representation, which we like to call the flow view. This makes it much easier for following the connections and inspect if something is broken, like here, for example. This updates in real time, so we can try to fix the small typo here, and it updates and everything is green again. Traditional table view is available, but you can have both views open together at the same time. Even change the layout of the flow view. Kunobi lets you inspect FluxCD resources in your cluster much easily. And with that, you can try Kunobi today for free from our website. Thank you for your time and see you in the next one. Ciao.